Hello, you are watching Swadhyay with Chaya and this is Chaya. Today we are going to learn auxiliary verbs. Do, be and have. These are auxiliary verbs. We use do for simple tenses and we use be in continuous tense and have in perfect tenses. So where and how can we use be, auxiliary verb be? So first sentence is he is writing. So he is writing is a continuous tense, ing form. So this is clearly showing that this is a continuous tense which is ing form. You can use also was, were. And second sentence is the door was closed. So this sentence is also clearly showing that this sentence is in passive form. And third sentence is we are to be married next month. So in my previous video I have explained you about infinitive. So this sentence is clearly showing that be is also be, we can use be is also in infinitive. Now we talk about auxiliary verb have. So we all know that in perfect tense we use has, have, had. So first is he has written. This is the perfect tense. I have to make it. So this sentence is clearly showing the indication of obligation. I have to make it. Next is he had to move the furniture himself. So this sentence is clearly showing that obligation in the past. He had to done something in the past. He had to move the furniture himself. So this is the obligation. This is showing obligation but which is done in the past. Next is they don't have to go. So in negative and when we talk about negative and questions sentences, so we use auxiliary verb have. They don't have to go. She don't have to do this. I don't have to make it. Okay? So now last auxiliary verb do. So do is used in simple negative sentence. She does not write or she doesn't write. And do is also, this auxiliary verb is also used in simple interrogative sentence like did she write. So this is did is the auxiliary verb we are using in simple interrogative sentence. Next is did you prepare food? Yes, I did. So did you notice anything? Yes, this sentence is for avoid repetition. If you don't want to repeat something like did you prepare food? So yes, I did. So yes, I did. So here we are avoiding the repetition of this sentence did you prepare food. Next is I do know him. Yes, you can say also I know him, but I do know him when we are making this sentence. So this sentence, if you are using do in this like this sentence, so this sentence is emphasizing the affirmative nature of a statement. I do know him.